Hello, wellness people. I'm back like I never left. The ingredient coming to the front burner is red lentil. Today, I am making stressless moi moi with red lentil. Moi moi is a traditional Nigerian steamed bean pudding made from blended black eye beans, onions, peppers, and spices, rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Moi moi is often served as a side dish with rice or enjoyed on its own, or as a breakfast meal with ogi or coca oats. Red lentil offers several health benefits. Rich in protein and fiber, is great for muscle repair and digestion, helps lower cholesterol and regulate blood pressure, awesome on blood sugar control, stabilize blood sugar levels, useful for diabetes management, low in calories, but filling due to high fiber and protein, promote regular bowel movement and support gut health. Antioxidants contain polyphenols, which helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They are nutritious, versatile, and beneficial for overall health. Soaking it overnight and rinsing in the morning definitely simplifies the process. No need for all the force of peeling beans. Keep those beautiful, expensive nails clean. You are taking this moi moi to the next level. My numero uno Odogu blender must be present and perfect for creating a smooth and rich blend for this stressless moi moi. I am calling on all the men. It's time to show love and appreciation to your wives by stepping into the kitchen and preparing this delicious, stressless, and healthy moi moi. This is not only a delightful dish, but also a thoughtful gesture that will surely warm the heart of your wives. Trust me, you will get an open check on that night. Remember, this is stressless. So you're going to blend everything in the blender. Start by adding the bell peppers, habaneros, and onions, which gives a vibrant color and spicy kicks. While the coconut oil adds richness. The real stars are the Oloriebis. The blended smoked fish shower and blended dry crayfish ede brings that authentic savory depth to the mix. Season with your preferred seasoning. I'm using adobo. It's a perfect balance of flavor and tradition. And for the final touch, use chicken stock as the liquid to blend. This adds an extra layer of flavor, making your moi moi even more savory and rich. The chicken stock infuses the dish with a depth, healthy taste that perfectly complements the spices and ingredients. Trust me, your wives will be impressed with the effort and the delicious results. And blend all the ingredients together. This version is definitely for those who like to keep it bold and delicious. Look at that beauty coming out of the blender. Mmm, just the way we want it. Now, let's stir and taste. If you notice, I hardly use salt in cooking. I only use salt at the level of boiling meat or chicken to generate stock. And whenever I want to cook, I use my seasoning, adobo seasoning, and stock. Adobo is the brand of seasoning that I use. The reason being is because it contains natural ingredients and is free from all the enemy of progress. I have seasoned and boiled wild caught tuna fish, and it's time to smash to create roadblock in this moi moi. Wild caught tuna is rich in heart healthy omega 3s, lean protein, and essential nutrients like vitamin D and B vitamins. It is low in fat, supports brain health, and contains fewer contaminants than farmed fish. The addition of wild caught tuna fish as a roadblock is such a creative twist adding richness and depth to every bite. For those of you who say, I can't use leaves to wrap moi moi elewi, I got you. For those using foil, that's a big no-no because you don't want aluminum leaching into your moi moi. And for those of you that want to keep those beautiful nails cute and classy, I also got you. I am making sure it's not just tasty, but also healthy and safe by opting for ramekin instead of foil. Great call on avoiding the aluminium. Let's turn this moi moi into a masterpiece. Oiling the ramekin bowls with coconut oil, perfection. That will keep everything smooth, aromatic, and healthy, while also ensuring the moi moi pops out beautifully. And yes, keeping those nails cute and classy is a priority too. You are definitely setting the standard for elegant and delicious moi moi. Here's a comparison between red lentil and black eyed beans, also known as black eyed peas. Red lentil cooks in about 15 to 20 minutes, while black eyed beans typically takes 45 to 60 minutes to cook if you are not using a pressure cooker. After tasting, I'm not really feeling the olori ebis, the shower and the ede. It's time to add a touch and stir like a minute. Add approximately 2 cups of hot water in a pot. Here, you don't want the water boiling to the point of bubbling into the ramekin when cooking. So less water start and pay attention when cooking. Now scoop. When scooping, don't fill the ramekin to the brim because when cooking, you don't want the moi moi to overflow. Now back to the comparison. Red lentil is rich in protein, fiber, folate, and iron. They are a great plant-based protein source, while black eye beans is high in fiber, protein, folate, potassium, and low in fat. They are more carbohydrate dense compared to red lentil. When placing the moi moi in the pot, you will need to create a space in the center of the pot so that when you want to top up water, you'll be able to pour it directly to the bottom part of the pot. You don't want to overflow your moi moi with water. Or cover and cook on a medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. This is the salt that I normally use, Himalayan salt. The benefit of Himalayan salt is a gist for another day. But on this occasion, no salt. Now, the moi moi is ready. Look at that beauty. Take a look at the pot and the cover. No mess moi moi. That's what I'm talking about. Let's taste now. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at the texture. Beautiful. Melting in my mouth like butter on a hot pan. Let's not forget to give respect to the roadblock. Now back to the comparison. Both red lentil and black eyed pea are great for heart health. It's good for managing blood sugar. They are both providing essential nutrients, but red lentil are high in protein per serving, while black eyed beans offers more complex carbohydrates. So in summary, red lentil are faster to cook with a softer texture and higher protein, while black eyed beans are firmer, takes longer to cook, are more carbohydrate rich, while with a slightly nutty taste. Both are nutritious and versatile. Both are used differently in cooking. I hope by my submission have been able to convince you and not confuse you that red lentil is the one to go for. Let it cool down for like 2 to 3 hours before you take it out of the ramekin. And this is how I preserve the moi moi. I put it either in the fridge or in the freezer. I want to say massive thank you to all the wellness family for your amazing engagement on this page. Your thumbs up, comments, and subscription mean the world to me. You guys are the bomb. Keep it healthy and happy cooking.